Look how beautiful the ocean is. I love it. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. Finally, I've seen the ocean. You're very welcome, Melody. I'm so happy that you're having fun.
Melody, if you listen to your mom and don't talk to any sea creatures that aren't Sebastian, then we can come here more often. And I can even show you how to sail the ship, and you can be a captain.
Yes, Daddy. I promise not to talk to any sea creature that isn't Sebastian. Can I play here for a bit?
That's fine, but only while Eric and I make something to eat. Then you have to come down and eat with us.
Yes, Mommy.
Ariel, I'm really happy that you finally let Melody come see the ocean. You know I love to sail, and I've really missed going out on the boat.
Yes, hopefully everything goes well and we can keep coming. It's going to be so fun when Daddy teaches me how to sail the boat.
Be careful, Melody! Don't touch something and send us off in the wrong direction!
Don't worry, Sebastian. I'm only pretending to steer the ship. I'm not actually touching anything. Huh? What's over there? It looks like a mermaid. Oh, I've never seen a real mermaid before.
Don't even think about it, Melody! You're not allowed to talk to any sea creatures.
Wow, what a beautiful boat. I've never seen one like this before. And there's a girl about my age. I have an idea. I'll say hi to her. Maybe we can be friends. And she might even be able to help me find my mom. Hello? It's the mermaid, Sebastian. She's saying hi to me. Maybe she wants to be my friend.
No way, Melody. You promised your parents that you wouldn't talk to any sea creatures.
But she looks like she's a friendly mermaid. Hi! Hi! Oh no, do I talk to her or not? Hi! Hi! What's your name? My name is Melody. What about you? My name is Marina. Do you want to be my friend? Oh yes, I'd love to. But my mom doesn't let me talk to sea creatures. How about if we're secret friends? The thing is, I'm lost. I don't know where my mom is, and I'm afraid to be alone. Okay, we can be friends.
No, Melody! Don't do it! You're going to get me in trouble! I'd better go. If I didn't see anything, I can't say anything.
Melody! Oh no! My mom is calling me. Okay, I'll leave.
Melody, who were you talking to?
Oh, I have an imaginary friend.
An imaginary friend?
Yes.
Oh, poor Melody. She must feel really lonely.
Well, let's go eat. The food is ready.
Later on. Eric, I'm a little bit worried about Melody. Worried about Melody? Why?
It's just that earlier today, when I went to go tell her the food was ready, I heard her talking to someone. It wasn't Sebastian, because when I got there, Sebastian wasn't there.
And did you ask her who she was talking to?
Yes, but she told me it was no one. That she has an imaginary friend.
Well, that's normal. A lot of kids have imaginary friends.
I don't know. I'm a bit worried. Daddy! Daddy! Can you put the slide up for me?
Of course, sweetheart. Meanwhile, I'm going to go check and make sure everything is okay on deck. It's done, sweetie. You can play now.
Thank you, Daddy!
You're very welcome.
Do you want to play, Sebastian?
Okay.
The slide is really tall. Maybe I can see Marina again.
Melody! That's not a good idea! I told you!
Oh, it's fine, Sebastian. Well, let's not worry about that right now. Let's just go play. Whee! Whee! Oh, there's Marina again. Marina! Marina! Hi, Melody! What a fun toy you have!
Melody! Don't do this, Melody! You're going to get me in trouble, and you're going to get yourself in trouble. Just tell your mom the truth. Maybe she'll let you be friends with the mermaid.
No, Mom's told me many times that I can't be friends with any sea creatures. I'm sure she wouldn't let me be friends with Marina.
Try, Melody. Listen to me. Take my advice. It's not good to lie. It's always better to tell the truth.
Maybe Sebastian is right. It's always better to tell the truth. Besides, my parents love me a lot. I'm sure I can trust them. I'll tell Mom. Maybe we can even help her find her mom. talk to you? Of course, Melody. What do you need? Melody told her mom everything about her new friend, the Lost Mermaid. And I want to help her, Mom. You and Dad know a lot about the ocean. Maybe you can help her find her mom. Melody, I'm very happy that you've trusted me with this. You should never keep your friend's secret from your parents. It's very dangerous. Now that you've told me this, I feel better. And of course I'll help Marina find her mom. Okay, Melody. Show me Marina. Marina! Marina! You can come out now. Mom knows everything and she's going to help you find your mom. Really? What's your mom's name, little one? Her name is Seawave. Oh, she's the daughter of Seawave. I remember her. We went to school together. Don't worry, little one. We'll help you find her. Ariel told Eric everything that had happened. Okay, no problem. We'll just steer the boat towards where your friend lives. And so... Thank you, Ariel. Thank you, Melody. Wait, will you give us a few minutes? Of course. I'll wait for you here. Come here, Melody. I want to show you something. Oh, Mom, how pretty. It was my favorite toy when I was little. It'll help you get closer to Marina to say bye. Thank you, Mommy. Bye, Marina. Bye, Melody. You're my best friend. Boys and girls, this is Ariel's cruise ship. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video,